Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we are
Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Today we are going to take you to the Japanese equivalent of Walmart.
Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. Today, as you can see behind us right here, we are at Don Quixote. Just like we said at the beginning, it is kind of like the Japanese equivalent of Walmart. This is a Don Quixote mega store, as you can see here. Let's go in now and see what kind of strange and possibly wonderful things we can find. Come on, let's go. Okay, here we are going into Don Quixote. These guys are on the outside selling water. Water service. Comes in a bag. Hi. Aquaman? What's your name? Takahumi. Hi. Nice to meet you, Takahumi.
Have a nice day.
You too. Going in the front door, you'll see before we even get into the main store area, we have all kinds of bulk things out here. Ramens, some candies, some cleaners. Over here, they have a small pet store. Let's go down and check it out. So here we are at the main doors now. We did a little bit of walking around outside in the entryway area, and now we're going to go into the main store. Stick around until the end for a possible giveaway. We're going to see if we can find something in the store to give away later on. You won't want to miss it. Okay guys, so normally our channel is about downsizing. We currently live in Okinawa, Japan. We are downsizing our home. We're getting ready to retire in August and move back to the US. So here we are in the Don Quixote store, as we've said, and we are in the camping area. Let's check it out.
And right here at Don Quixote Mega, you can get a Pokeball for your beetles or moths or whatever. And right here at Don Quixote Mega, you can get all kinds of scents from colon. You can come and sample and find your favorite colon scent right here. Lost in translation.
What do you think? Think this should be what we get for the giveaway? I don't think so.
They even carry designer purses here, Coach and Gucci and stuff, but I don't buy them, so I don't know what the prices are. This is 19,900 yen, which is about $190. What do you think? Is that a good price for Coach? One really fun thing that they do here in Japan is make crazy socks. So here you can find some different characters, and I see Jarhead right here almost. You can find, I don't see him here, but like sushi socks. Kimono socks. They're about $10 for 3 pair. And this is the costume section, as you can tell. So we have all kinds of costumes, starting at cosplay and going through a whole variety. There's even some Trump hats and different things in this area. That's different than it was.
Okay, what we have here is called a takoyaki maker. All these little cups hold this batter, and inside the batter they put a little piece of octopus or squid. Octopus is actually taco, so normally it's octopus. And then they mix it up in here and they fry it up and they serve it out to eat. I don't think the octopus is going to have a good day, but this is outstanding. If you ever get to a place where you can try takoyaki, give it a shot.
Okay, so now get a picture in your mind of an American lunchbox that your child would take to school. It's, you know, kind of about that big, and you usually, you know, put a sandwich and maybe a thermos. This is a Japanese bento box. They have all different characters. This was Toy Story. They have all kinds of Disney characters and other characters, Nintendo. And so the Japanese mom will make these really cute little lunches for their kids, and they make them into like a panda or a pig, and it's got all kinds of healthy food. And this is the Japanese lunchbox.
All right, and here is one of the largest sizes of whiskey I think you can find in Japan. If you look, it says 4 liters. That's over a gallon. So, just for size comparison, it's almost as big as my whole torso.
So did that big old beverage make you hungry? Well, look, we have some treats for you. I don't think you'll find beef jerky right here, but you will find some dried fish, squid, whole crabs, all kinds of different dried fish in here. So which one would you like? Let us know in the comments. And here is a yakiniku table that you can grill your yakiniku at home. If you don't know what yakiniku is, take a look at this video.
All right, here we have shisa. They came from China originally as shishi dogs. If you see them, one has their mouth open and one has their mouth shut. And that is to keep the bad spirits out and the good spirits in, or the bad things out and the good things in. This is very Japanese, and I actually have a tattoo of these, not quite this cartoony, but on my back.
So here we have Coca-Cola Plus. This is a Coca-Cola that is actually recommended by the Japanese government for healthy heart. I think it has fiber in it. So Coca-Cola with fiber for your healthy heart. So if you remember at the beginning of the video, we showed you some colon perfume. So to go with that colon perfume, how about some cream colon snacks? You have regular and strawberry cream colon. So this is a favorite item for our children. We always send them back in boxes to them. We have, they're shaped like ice cream cones, and there's regular vanilla and strawberry flavor. So Japan is well known for their many flavors of Kit Kats. They come out with seasonal Kit Kats and even regional Kit Kats. Right here, this is a regular tea Kit Kat. You have a matcha tea Kit Kat. And this is Sakura roasted soybean. Sakura is the cherry blossom flower. If you would like to win these Sakura roasted soybean Kit Kats, write Kit Kat in the comments.
Okay, now we're here at the prepared section. They have a bunch of prepared food here behind me. Kind of like a deli, only here you'll find a bunch of different things like onigiris and bentos, like the boxes we showed you earlier. They make them to go also, and they normally come in plastic containers called bentos or bento box. Let's check them out.
These are Okinawa donuts.
This is the row here of bento box. I'll go over this really slow so you guys can see all of the variations of things that are in them. Normally it's rice and or noodles with meat and vegetables.
I hope that TV There's a person back there making some.
Now this is where you can really tell you're in a Japanese store. We're right up front now by the cash registers, and we have tons and tons of rice. They're in about 5-pound bags. Some of them are vacuum sealed, some of them are not. But let's check out how many they have.
And here we have our frozen treats. They have all kinds of popsicles. I've even seen that they've had one that is flavored like beef stew. Can you imagine a beef stew popsicle? I don't see one here today, or I'd let you try it. Going on the elevator, or are we going underwater? If you're still here, thanks for joining us, and make sure that you leave a comment, Kit Kat, so that you can be entered for the drawing for these Kit Kats to be shipped to you from Okinawa, Japan.
And thanks for coming, and join us next time on
Jarhead
Jarhead
and
and Ginger's Journey.
Bye-bye!